welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be cooking okra and steamed fish, guys. So with not much delay we are going to get started. So here my lovelies, the ingredients are 1 teaspoon seasoned salt, 1 teaspoon fish seasoning, 1 teaspoon all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 2 tablespoons olive oil. I have some green onion, butter, thyme, sweet peppers, garlic, tomatoes, ½ teaspoon salt, pumpkin, okra, 1 can coconut milk, and some red snappers. Now I will combine all the seasoning. Blend well. So here I have some beautiful red snapper fish. Now I will add some salt to the fish. Add seasoning, let's start from the inside out. We are going to enjoy this beautiful cooking, guys. Okay, let's set this aside. And the rest of the seasoning will be added to the cooking later. Now let's go ahead and cut the veggies. So now that the veggies are completed, let's go straight over to the stove. Add into the pan 2 tablespoons olive oil. And mid-heat, add onions. Saute. Continue to saute and mid-heat. Add garlic, pumpkin, pepper, and thyme. Getting all the flavors together, guys. Now go ahead and add the rest of the veggies. Isn't this beautiful, guys? And the taste will be great. Turn the heat up a little higher. Now I will add the coconut milk. Add remaining seasonings. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Let's taste to see if more salt is needed. I think this is perfect. It's delicious, guys, delicious. Add your butter. It is delicious, guys. Look how gorgeous this is looking, guys. Just beautiful. So now guys, the pumpkin is tender enough, so I will go ahead and add the fish. So beautiful guys, and it is going to be delicious. Delicious guys, delicious. Dinner is going to be delicious. So cover and get these beauties steaming. Let's check to see what's going on guys. Mouth watering. The taste is great guys. The coconut milk brings out this rich flavor. It's really tasty, delicious. Give it 2 more minutes. This is beautiful. Your steamed fish is ready guys. Enjoy, and please remember to share and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. You can serve with water crackers if you so desired.